no kitchen cap. Grab the shower cap. It's good. It's clean. Grab the shower cap. I'm gonna bake alone. So yeah. So firstly, these are like our dry, this is like the dry ingredients that I'm gonna use, and then I'll show you the wet ingredients when I'm done mixing the dry ingredients. Yeah. But first, we're gonna use this bowl for our wet ingredients, which is gonna be butter and sugar and vanilla extract. Is it called kakiti? Jeans not going home. She's on her phone, seeing who's out. Ish. Yep, that's it. Yeah. Stop and then lovey. The girl from or goes walking. Ish, my ancestors will be disappointed. That's good enough for me. This is that's good enough for me, Shane. What like ish? Okay, so now I'm gonna do this. How my ancestors intended me to. My bad. Yes, I'm adding more. Yes. Focus on yak. I just got some video. Anyway, guys, we have my mom behind the camera because she wanted to be useful. Yes. Are you saying I'm useless right now? No, I'm not saying that. Why else would you be in the kitchen? Have also two sweater, the cuckoo, but then how? Your battery is low, it's at 20%. Hi Bishop. Anyway, right. I'm gonna get a pen. She's on her phone. I'm filming you, Ulrad. I'm filming. No, I'm filming Vanilla Essence. Vanilla Essence, your head's all back. Ooh, when I beat this or fires. Like, or fires. I bet you can. Thing is, how come this is cameraman as a following moto? You cannot say I'm fired if I don't get paid. Oh, skis, it's well like guy. Askis. I'm learning. Anyway, how do I cover this with butter? I don't know. This is my kitchen channel. My kitchen, my rules. Your kitchen, your rules. And this is how we apply the butter for the pan in my kitchen. And then we're going to put it in the oven for like 5 minutes. Why do you have to put it in the oven for 5 minutes? So that no, I have to actually put matter the oven, not put the pan in the oven. But you put matter the oven. No, you don't heat the pan. Yes, you do. You heat the oven. You heat the oven, not the pan. That's what I'm trying. That's what I tried to fix my sentence to be. Right. Go somewhere. Do that at one. The cook out the poo and a quick eye. Whatever. Has chef are the omni. Prepare, ma. Now, another thing is, how do we get the oven to turn on?
Bluetooth.
Yes. Yes, please do help. Then the next question would be, an idle brain invites the devil in.
And then,
Father, forgive me for my sins.
how do we put it at 180? You hit it at 180 again.
Yes, and then it's supposed to turn it on. Is it here? Is it here?
With Tim.
Okay, guys, so we're not baking cookies today. We're flopping.
We're not flopping.
Okay, we'll come back when we figure this out.
Let me finish it.
Okay, so guys, we're back from the break. Do you cookie cut again?
Those soft what cookies is the I don't think because it's a cookie cutter. Those crunchier ones that you want to make, you can not because it's a cookie cutter.
Okay, so
this one, so you can just scoop and took a spoon and then okay kapane.
There's this thing that we call frying.
Oh, we are trying. I could say it then. Shawaka man. Shawaka pantry.
Not going home.
She's I have to follow. Wherever you go, I follow. Nobody else is promised tomorrow.
Stop singing.
I'm like,
Okay, so now we're looking for the cookie cutters in the pantry. We could use toilet paper.
There they are.
Here they are.
If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Yeah, guys. So then, if I end up editing this today, I would like to give a shout out to my mom for filming this, and I know it might look very odd. I don't really try. I'm not. I see in the way that she's looking at me for it. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna put this into 2 sections, if I can. Please come and. Okay then. So it is.
How isn't it? How isn't it? So to give one of my tell floor on the surface,
and then better make a mold. No. My kitchen, my rules.
Your kitchen, your rules. It's actually my kitchen, my hair. I don't take a charger.
Okay, I actually so guys, we'll come back after I shape the cookies.
Nobody else.
Now about my camera, I actually want the battery left the battery average it's going down, and it's more the more I use it on the charger, so I'd rather charge.
Okay. What do?
You just eat it. Okay guys, I'm back to solo coloring. Yeah.
Just down.
Because my mom is cooking. I'm seeing jealous down. So I'm just cutting the cookies, and I preheated the oven. They are coming out in very odd shapes. So just know that luckily enough you're not the ones eating the cookie, right? Like, right?
Luckily enough.
Machines. Now go. What says that each one of your pizzas, ne?
My pizzas. What are the pizzas?
Your pots. You're gonna use each one of your pots. See, that's what I'm trying to do. Guys, don't think that my English is
broken.
It's broken. It's just
that it is.
It's just that I didn't go to school today, and I didn't meet the English teacher. So he didn't correct my English. He didn't put my English in order.
He didn't. It did not.
So I'm gonna make circle cookies, because that's what they're gonna come out as anyway. What I feel. So I'm making a circle cookie. Okay.
That part in the other day. I think
Yeah. So I wrote a K on this because my kitchen, my rules.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna do one with a.
And then that's so.
Wait, I'm gonna do one with a T on it because Tepiso told me to finish the vlog and I never actually do that. So I'm gonna do one with a T on it for a shout out, I guess. Yeah. She's not going home. She's on her phone.
She is mine.
Okay, that's a good enough T for me. And then I'm gonna put on one with a.
Do a P.
What?
Oh, mommy dearest, a P.
So I'm gonna do one with
Do a P for mom, a P for mother.
Yeah, so this is why I never joined a spelling bee. It was never in the family. But I'm gonna do one a P for Palisa. Because Palisa is my mother. Yeah. But yeah, if you've never seen me in a spelling bee, just know that in my house, mommy is spelled with P. That's why.
Because English is not our mother.
It's not our mother tongue.
It's not our mother.
Hey, there's a P.
I'm going to have cookies again.
Okay, so these are all the cookies that I'm doing for now. And then I'll meet you. Yeah. You know what? Since I'm wearing this apron, I'm gonna go. I can see a mother from the mid-60s baking. An idle brain invites the devil in. Father, forgive me for my sins. Give me punishments and rules and never-ending Sunday school. And I will try to fight the devil in. Father, forgive me. That's not in play. Happy means doing what I do. Look, yeah, I'm smiling cause I'm good. Okay, I just made 6 cookies. I wanna put, yep. An idle brain invites the devil in. Father, forgive me for my sins. Give me punishments and rules and never-ending Sunday school. And I will try to fight the devil in. Father, forgive me for my father. Okay guys, so this is the final review of the cookie. I'm gonna take a bite. This is my first bite. Like, you see this cookie that already looks bitten? No, this is my first bite. You're so delectable, and yeah. I bake better than your grandma, by the way. Yeah. So now, if you go in the cooking battle, do not read.